Welcome everyone. Welcome to a new practice session on SolidWorks. Today's practice it is this draw on the right side of my screen. I will show you easy way how to go about it. On this video, we will see how to extrude from an offset surface or from a surface. Okay, now let's start. Let's start with the sketch, the top plane, and then let's start drawing our sketch. Okay, I'll start with two circle of one 30 and the other one 60. Now the center one 100 millimeter, this one of 21 and the other one of 50. Okay, now let's add the lines, tangent line to all the circles. Okay, now let's add some dimension. This distance is 127 and the angle it is 51. Okay, now here the distance between both centers are 110. Okay, this one is a tangent to the circle. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. We can exit and apply the extrusion. Oh no, I have to remove some extra entities. Those two ones that we don't need. I will trim them. Okay, and now exit. Now with the sketch selected, let's go to extrude boss base. We will select only the contour we want to extrude for now, and those two 40 millimeter, and press OK. Right, with the same sketch selected, we will extrude the other part, but this one we have to add an offset from the sketch plane because it doesn't lie. Like you see, there's 9 millimeter offset from the sketch plane, so I will add 9, and the extrusion depth it is 22. Okay, still with the same sketch, we will do another extrusion. In this case, we will extrude from the top plane. Here we see that there is 10 millimeter distance from the top plane. So let's see, from surface, this top surface, now it is offset. Offset will be 30. We do a little mathematics. If you are from this top, we are 40, you are on 40 minus 10, it is 30, and the extrusion will be 20. Now we select the contour and press OK. Here we are, we have done. Now we will add other features. From this top surface, we draw another sketch. We will draw different entities on one sketch and then apply the function as we have done for the previous function, those extrusion. Okay, we have another one of 50 millimeter. Okay, now let's apply some dimensions and constraints. This one is 20. Okay. Now I'm drawing these two parts. They are all parallel and symmetric. And the distance, the gap, it is 10 millimeter. Okay, now it is done. Now I can trim the part we don't need. This one we don't need. This one we don't need. Don't need this one. Neither this one. This one. Neither this one. Neither this one. Okay. The last one, I will draw a little circle, this one of 8 millimeter diameter, and then apply the cut later. It is diameter of 8 millimeter, and it lies on a 30 millimeter cycle. This one I'll put as a construction. Okay, what is left? Okay, put it horizontal from with respect to the origin. Okay, now it is fully defined. Everything is fully defined. We can exit. With this sketch, we will apply on this sketch we will apply many features. So let's start by cut. We will cut through all. Select the region, those two. Cut through all and press OK. Fine. With the same sketch, we will cut. Always select the contour. This contour, we will cut 4 millimeters, top and bottom. Still selected, another cut. In this case, from the surface, which will be this down surface, and the contour will be this one. Reverse the direction, still 4 millimeter, and press OK. Now we will add those 7 holes. The same sketch selected, cut the contour, we select the hole and we put it through all. And now it is left with the pattern, circular pattern. The feature will be this cut, number of entities 7, and the axis of revolution. Okay, let's make shown temporary axis, which will be this axis and then press OK. Now we don't need any more the temporary axis, so I can hide them. Okay, now there are those regions to these regions to cut as well. So I select this plane and draw the sketch on the plane. Okay, I will add the convert offset entities 10 millimeter. No, reverse. Okay, another one. Okay, now I convert entities, this cycle and this one. Okay, and now I will trim the exceeding part, those I don't need. Okay, okay, here is done. The sketch is fully defined, so I can exit and apply the cut. We will do a little calculation. We have the thickness, the remaining part has a thickness of 10 millimeters. We know that the overall is 20, so each part will be 5 millimeters thickness from top and bottom. So the cut depth will be 5. Okay, with the same sketch I will also do the cut from the bottom. I select the plane, I cut from the bottom plane, I change the direction, and I still apply 5. Okay, to make sure that we have done the correct calculation, we can go to evaluate, measure, and calculate the thickness of this remaining part. We have 10 millimeters, so we have done the calculation right. Okay, I can exit this one, and now the final part, it is the fillet we have to apply. We only have 2 fillets of 12 and 5 millimeters. This one, it is 12 millimeters. Okay, and the other ones are 5. So, okay, I select one angle and I tell to SolidWorks to apply the same edges on the same section. And now you can see the preview. SolidWorks has added the edges to fillet. Let me add the radius, and then also the other planes. Same thing here. I select one edge and I tell SolidWorks to add the connected other edges from the surface on the same plane, and so on and so on. So this one helps you to save time, not to select all one by one all edges. Oh, it's remain this one. Let's add as well. Edit. I select one edge and I tell SolidWorks to automatically add the other edges. Okay guys, here is it. We have done with this part. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you.